Assigned to the Tumon-Tumuning precinct, 30-year-old police officer Roy Keith Pablo finds himself doing exactly what he's arrested people for, breaking the law, and in his particular case, dealing drugs. He, along with his common-law wife, 26-year-old Arum Kim, and her brother-in-law, 22-year-old Stephen Min Song Kim, were busted by the feds in a sting operation that led them to their home in Dededo. The three appeared in the Superior Court this afternoon for a magistrate's hearing.
The court agrees that there was probable cause to charge you with these crimes and will inform you that you have the right to have a lawyer represent you in this case.
According to court documents, Pablo admitted to smoking weed since high school, with the most recent occurrence only 5 hours before reporting for duty Sunday. He further admitted to growing the marijuana plants at his residence, stating each plant would yield about 2 ounces, which was then either smoked or shared with others. While he did not admit to actively selling, he did admit to being present during drug transactions and smoking weed in the residence when their children were present.
We're recommending $100,000 cash bail for Mr. Pablo, and because Mr. Pablo is an active GPD officer, the people assert that he's abused the public's trust in himself.
During the raid of their home in Liguan Terrace, authorities found a fully functional marijuana grow operation with ventilation system, drug paraphernalia, shrooms, and white pills identified as DMT, that is a hallucinogenic street drug. They also found pieces of Pablo's police uniform in a room where the marijuana was packaged and smoked. Pablo, along with Arum and Stephen, are being charged with manufacturing a Scheduled I controlled substance, possession of a Scheduled I substance with intent to deliver, conspiracy to manufacture a Scheduled I controlled substance, and possession of more than an ounce of marijuana. While Pablo and Arum are charged with child abuse, Pablo has also been charged with official misconduct. While bail was set for $100,000 for Pablo, Assistant AG Jesse Nassis recommended $50,000 cash bail for Arum and Stephen.
Both of them had made admissions to long-term drug activity, and with regard to Mr. Kim, as stated before, Your Honor, there is an outstanding warrant in a criminal misdemeanor case 390-12 where he did not show up for the arraignment. So in addition, with regard to Mr. Kim, he is a flight risk and is not able to comply with the court's orders.
According to GPD, Pablo has been placed on administrative leave and an internal affairs investigation is underway. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jolene Toves.